Realme has unveiled its latest flagship, the Realme GT5 Pro, boosting cutting-edge features like a 144Hz LTPO AMOLED display and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Could this be the flagship killer we've been waiting for? Let's dive into our first impressions. Starting with the unboxing experience, Realme presents the GT5 Pro in its signature vibrant packaging. Inside, we find the standard accessories, documentation, a 100W charger, a USB-C cable, and the phone itself. The GT5 Pro exudes a premium feel with its glass front and back, or an eco-friendly silicone polymer back, all framed by aluminum. It offers a solid yet comfortable grip. The device is available in black, silver, and orange. Which color catches your eye? Let us know in the comments. The GT5 Pro features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1264x2780 pixels, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, visibility remains excellent even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, whether you are multitasking or gaming, this device handles it all with ease. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the GT5 Pro's versatile camera setup. Main camera, 50MP wide-angle lens with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS for sharp and stable shots. Periscope telephoto, 50MP lens offering 2.7x optical zoom, allowing detailed close-ups. Ultra-wide, 8MP lens with a 112 degrees field of view for expansive shots. The device supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second and 4K at up to 60 frames per second, complete with gyro EIS and Dolby Vision for high-quality footage. Equipped with a 5400 mAh battery, the GT5 Pro ensures extended usage. The 100W wired charging can recharge the battery to 50% in just 12 minutes, and the 50W wireless charging offers convenient and fast power-ups. To summarize, the Realme GT5 Pro offers 5G connectivity, 144Hz LTPO AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, versatile triple camera system, 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. All these features are packed into a device priced at approximately €430, making it a compelling choice in the flagship segment. That's our first look at the Realme GT5 Pro. Do you think it stands out as a flagship killer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more tech insights. See you in the next video.